Well, it's getting close to Valentine's Day, and I'm getting a date the only way I know how. From the store. Okay, let's get started. Hey, real quick before we get started, a lot of recipes will ask for medjool dates, which are the bigger kind, but I prefer the Diglett Noir dates because they are a little smaller, they're already pitted, and you can possibly evolve them into Doug Trio Noir dates. So what you're going to do, take your date, open it up, and where the pit used to be, you're going to place just a little bit of cream cheese, you don't need a lot. Just place it inside of the date, and seal it shut, and place it with the other ones. As you can see, I've sliced a package of bacon in half, and I'm going to take one of our dates and place it on the bacon and roll it like so, and set that to the side so we can work on the other ones. Now these can get pretty sticky and greasy, so I'm going to have a safety precaution and place some tin foil right here. And I'm also going to place a wire rack on top. And just in case the bacon wants to unravel, we're going to just stab a toothpick in the middle of each one just like so. And now we're going to place these in a 400-degree oven, and we'll check on them after 5 minutes. They're looking good after 5 minutes, so we're just going to take our tongs and just flip them on the other side. And back in the oven they go for another 5 to 7 minutes. I had these going in for another 10 minutes and they look perfect right now. After a few minutes of cooling down, they're ready to serve. Thanks for watching. And until next week, I'm Jared Lendy with Small Bites. See ya.